Guys, wanna cook? Yeah. Follow me to the kitchen and start. Okay. Okay. Hi, Junior and friends. Welcome to Shelby's Cooking Class 101. Today, we're making tacos. Ooh, tacos. Taco Mico, Taco Woco. What the bleep? Are you guys ready? Heck yeah. Man, you're waiting more than the time. I want 1 mile on the treadmill. I don't know what this thing is. I'll throw. Start me up on 10 speed. What did I just say, you asshole? Ah! Alright. Teach me how to make them? Oh, we gotta get some more meat. Okay. My gosh, pretty soon it's gonna be in the freezer. Let's check that. My meat. I wonder if we found it. I think we found it. So, we found my meat. Now put it on the oven. Okay. Put a pan out. Whoa, what the? Junior, what just happened? What the? You started a fire in my kitchen? Maybe. Guys, I told you to make tacos. They are not that hard to cook. Well, it's the easiest thing on the list. Well, we did it. Well, I got a one. Get a one. Oh, the whole kitchen burns down. Let me step in behind. What the? Am I supposed to smoke? Oh, I'm gonna check this. What in the bloody hell? What in the bloody heck? Did you cause this? No, I didn't. Because one in the bloody kitchen in my smell right now. How's that bloody fire? And why in the bloody bleep would you bleep and do that? Wow, you're saying a lot. How bleep care? If we don't put this fire out, we're gonna die in here. So we gotta make it something really fast. How am I gonna find this thing, sir? Oh yeah, I think I have one somewhere. Yeah, I have one right here. Now get to work. I want to see this bunny mascot kitchen put out on top to bottom. Okay. Better do it. Sure. Alright, there we go, going I did it. Alright, now gonna teach me how to make a better drink than Wogan Paul. Why? Because I tried to think of me, I don't know what day or what year I tried it, but it was absolute complete bleep. So, I need to make a better drink. It's called the Gordon Ramsay Prime. Okay? What you get in it? Well, since Prime has coconut water, we'll be using fancy water. Okay? Not fancy water, yeah. What about sparkling water? Does that count? Yeah, I think it counts. Alright, just pour it. Alright, we got. Well, we got that. Then next, you have some electrolytes. Oh yeah, of course. There's a vitamin B, A12, and what? I'm done. I call this the Gordon Ramsay anchovy drink. Let's just see how this bloody drink tastes. Nice to me. I give this drink 11 out of 10. Alright, now you can try to make me a filet mignon. Well done. That means burnt. Dang it, I should have said that. Now, I'm just put... Don't add over season, I hate that. Okay, I definitely won't add that. So you want to make it filet mignon, I'm gonna just get your ingredients. So, but swap your mama. Do you like that? Is it like spicy? I think so. Okay, and then add it. Alright. Taco season. Ding. So, obey season 2. Ding. Alright, I'll cook it. Okay, I'm gonna get our filet mignon. Cook it. 20 minutes later. I'll go on, is it? Your filet mignon is done. I swear to... This is not good. I'm about to kiss this jar. I'm about to kiss this cooking class goodbye. Let's see how this boy tastes. Yum. Let's just add an obey seasoning. 9 out of 10. I mean, 9.6 out of 10. Oh. I'm just gonna give me a bad way then. Well, I'm just gonna do something real quick. Wait, where are you going? Whoa. Wait, are we recording to my Hell's Kitchen? Yes, we are. Now put that bread on your ear. Okay? Put it on your ear. Now, what are you? I'm an idiot sandwich? Say it again! I'm an idiot sandwich. Yes. Now go teach your other contestants. They're waiting. Now we check it on you later. Man. Well, yeah, so I'm the one you heard that you know how to teach somebody how to cook. Yes, sir, I know how to teach someone how to cook. Okay, I want you to teach my sandwich on how to cook a steak, a 20K, 4 carrots, and it had to be gold. So I'm gonna teach your son how to do that. I think I got that. Bye. You gotta teach me how to do that too. Alright. What the? How the? This piece of car had to run up gas. This is just so stupid. I can't. I'm gonna come this poor choice. How's that end up here? Whoa, why are you already freaking swearing so much in one scene? You're not my daddy. Yeah, you can't tell me what to do. Let's get started with the lesson. So your dad wants you to cook a steak with 24 carrots to gold. Yep. Alright, so thus, you need to grab a steak out of the freezer. Okay. Got it. Now what's up next? Now, you need to get a pan. There we go. Now what do? Now you add the seasoning. Wait. Don't obey. I think so. How I get which one? Now, then put the 24 go Kevin on there. Then you set it on 26 minutes. Wait, does he want it well done? Yes, I want it well done. Alright, put it on well done. Alright. Hey, how much is a little bit burnt? I mean, after I taste it. Oh, here it is. But it's only like a little bit burnt on the back, on the side. Alright. So I'll give it to your dad. I don't think I can make anything good. Come on, we gotta give it to him. Come on, let's go. Alright, we teach your son how to make steak with the witch's ingredients that you told us to get. Yes? Now what is he? How am I here? Hope you like it. Oh, I wish it was good. It tastes pretty good. Yum! A little burnt, but it's alright. It's okay. I got like a 6.9. Whoa, that's almost like a 7 out of 10. I mean, get decent. So, I'm gonna teach cook class again. Oh, come on, I didn't even cook anything. You started a house fire, Junior. You guys did. How did you start a house fire, Junior? You the one started. Yeah, kinda true, my guy.